Today's question: given an array A of size n, print the second largest distinct element from an array. If second largest element doesn't exist, then print -1. Now start solving it. At first import necessary header file and namespace, then declare main function. Take inputs of the size of array and array elements. Check whether the size of array is greater than 1. If it is not greater than 1, then print -1 else continue. Forthwith, we need to sort the array so that we can reach to second largest number easily. We can sort in ascending order using sort function. Now iterate over the sorted array from the second last element to the first element. During iteration, check if the element is the same as the largest element or not. If it is not the same, then print the element else continue the program. If our code continued till last, then it means that array doesn't have second largest element, so print -1. Now check compile and run our code. It's time to test our code for different scenario. Number 1, if array size is equal to 1. Number 2, if all the elements are same, and number 3, if all the element are unique. Our code should in each scenario. Thanks.